It's Vlogmas Day 3. Today we are going to go to IKEA and we need 3 things. We need candles, a new dish brush and a new dish rack. 3 things, hopefully no more than that. Should we go, boyfriend?
Yeah.
We had to get a Starbucks.
That's kind of cool.
Oh!
So it sucks in here and comes out here.
Ah! It's dusty.
Förvända turister som nyfikna på det nya som inte finns i guideböckerna.
That's good.
Was it?
Yeah.
Skrivera. Inspiration, I guess.
Yeah, inspirational.
Inspirerande om marknadsvillkoren i New York.
Wow. Oh, that was good.
Swedish in New York. Sweden. In New York.
What have you found?
I don't know, the UI is really cool. It just feels so much more responsive. Oh wow, it zoomed in to go to the next page.
This tickle your pickle?
Yes.
Wow. And wow. Two.
Look over here. This thing here is so cool. Cool. You view the list, you continue, and you just scan the code and it's there.
Wow.
Brilliant.
One.
Christmas dinosaur.
It's a miracle. Bye. We're going home. Okay, we're back from IKEA and it's time to do a little haul. We went to get 3 things. We went to get a dish brush, some candles and a dish rack. We did get those. We also got much more. We obviously got some Swedish chocolate, some Marabou and some gingerbread biscuits. These are only for Jessie. As we were walking around in the shop, we realized that it's been really cold lately and we refuse to put on heating. So we bought a blanket that is green and matches our sofa, and it's also very big, comfort. I brought this bag with me just so I could get some candles, a dish rack and a dish brush to bring home, but obviously we filled it to the brim. So we did manage to find a dish brush, but this was the only one we could find. I don't know what they've done with the plastic ones, but obviously this one is better for the nature anyway. So this is a like metal bamboo one. Pretty. I got just some string for Christmas presents and for whatever else you need string for. Gingerbread houses for an upcoming video. And to go with that, we also got 2 decoration kits for the gingerbread houses. That's going to be exciting. We obviously got candles. We got 3 of these big boys. Hopefully they will last till January. We light 5 of these a night, so just 100 divided in 5, 10, 20, 40, 60. So 2 months. 1, 2, and 3. And then, oh yeah, we got 4 of these holders for the phone. They were only 50p each, and you can put the phone lengthwise or upwise, don't know the word. So 2 for home, 1 for a friend, and 1 for just his job. So 4 of those. And last but not least, we got this mini dish rack. I think it's going to look much nicer on our kitchen bench. And that's all we got from IKEA today. It was a lot, and we made it home. Now we're gonna eat some food and I'm gonna edit. And today's joke. What do you call an elf with earmuffs? Whatever you want, it can't hear you.
Not funny.
It's not funny?
It's not funny.
I think someone thought it was funny. Mission accomplished. Okay, I think that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and subscribe to see what else I get up to this Vlogmas. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Ooh, that flash.